up, y'all? It's your girl Jay, and y'all know what it is when I get on this camera. So I just picked our food up for the mukbang, and I'm like, how can I get him back? And I got a nice one. I'm gonna act real ratchet. So I pulled up to this beauty supply store. I'm about to get me a blonde wig, y'all. I'm gonna just be the ratchetest ratchet I could ever be. And I know some ratchet. So look, I'm about to run in this store. So Bay is downstairs setting up. I'm gonna show you what I got from the store, and then I'm gonna get myself together, and then I'm gonna come back. So I got these. I got this. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on though. It might be a little too dramatic, but go for this. Can't be ratchet without the lip gloss. I got some nails. I'm gonna put them on real quick. Some black lip liner. And that's it. So I'm gonna get myself.
Look, y'all. This is crazy. Yo, I look like somebody grand auntie, y'all. Like, who I think I is? Oh, my little earring came off. Whatever. Yo, I look like somebody grand auntie. You hear me? Grand auntie. Like these, I can't even get the earring back in, y'all. What it was gonna be like, oh no, we ain't doing this. We is not doing this. You know, I can't get this earring back on you. Alright, y'all.
La 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 la. Alright, hold on. Alright. We waiting for this woman. Dang, I done messed the carpet up. I don't know if she gonna be in here. Fix it. Let me see. Give me a minute. Babe!
Yeah, I'm coming.
Alright, hold on. Alright. I'm waiting for you.
You set up?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm trying to fix the cup. The dang chair messed up.
Did you get my my duck sauce?
Yes, I got ducks.
A bitch nail came off. Don't worry about it.
You right?
I ain't even tripping.
Can't see you.
They can't even see me or whatever. Bang, dang.
I need to back it up. You gotta tell me how to put it on there. Baby, what the hell?
What is this? Yuck.
You bugged out, D.
What? I'm what?
You bugged out, D.
Ooh, my ear itching. That means somebody's talking about me. You could have took my rice thing off. Fuck.
Cool.
Got a bitch some ranch. Or whatever. Come on, baby. You need to like all the weight on me.
You tripping. What's wrong with your face?
Nothing.
Yes, it is.
I already told you, new month, new me. The fuck? New month, new me. New month, new me. New month, new me. It's August and I'm a new me.
Where them two moles come from?
Don't worry about it. You ready?
Yes, I am. Shoot, that's how we doing. Let me turn my head this way now.
What's up, y'all? We back with another motherfucking video. And today we got this fried chicken or whatever. We got these egg rolls, and we got some house fried rice, and we ready to get it in. Is y'all ready to eat or no? I'm ready to eat. Hopefully y'all got y'all meals. Y'all sit down with us or whatever, and we all gonna sit and eat together.
You for real?
Babe, my light is all up in the camera. You ain't even set me up good. I be setting us up good. We be looking all nice and all that. Fuck.
You tripping.
I'm with this soy sauce or whatever. What's up, hoes? How y'all doing? How y'all day going? Like, what's up? Like, what's going on with y'all? Like, real life. Like, Woo! I'm hungry. Like, hungry. You feel me? Hungry.
You tripping. Babe, what's wrong with you?
Let me tell y'all, ain't nothing wrong with me.
Something wrong with you.
Every time I go to talk, you got something to say. Don't worry about it, boo boo.
You just touched my nose.
So anyway, like I was ready to tell y'all,
You can't even pick your food up.
you sound like a hater.
What's that black stuff around your lips?
It's called lipstick.
I don't even know if I want to eat my food now. I got some mumbo sauce. How y'all doing?
Real ass, give a bada. Whoa, who know that song? 6 6 figure, hey, hey. But for real, y'all. All jokes aside.
You like you was on Players Club. Where you get this wig from?
I just told you. New year. I mean, new month. New me, babe. Like it's August. This entanglement. I need you to get it together.
What?
This entanglement. I need you to get it together. Cause
What entanglement?
I need some more lip gloss.
No, you don't. No.
Cause I thought a broke nigga said what? 666 figure. Hey, what you know about that? Hey. What you know about that? All right, let's stop playing. We gotta really get this video, babe. Make sure you edit all that out. Make sure you edit your girl out.
You tripping.
Who is out there? Like who? Like what is you honking for? I'm trying to do a video.
Why are you so loud? They can't
Because
hear
they
you.
is really out there doing all of that honking. Like I'm out and trying to do a video.
Yo, where did you get this stuff from? But you go nowhere else alone. Social media, brain.
Y'all, I went and got the food, man. One of my favorite Chinese food places in Baltimore. Golden Dragon. Or whatever. I want my money back.
What?
It's a shell on my scrimp.
On your what?
It's a shell on my scrimp, y'all. And that was in my egg roll. Now, what if it wouldn't have fell out? And then I would have ate a shell off my scrimp for real. Got it.
You can't even pick your food up. Why you got them nails on?
It's new me. Get used to it. This is, I'm really going to be who I am because I am who I'm going to be.
You need to calm down. How y'all doing, y'all? Stop moving your arms like that.
I'm so tired of hiding behind. What's up, y'all? Back with another video. I'm going to be who I'm going to be.
Well, you done fooled the hell out of me.
Now that's LaShonda Colwanda Jones. That's who I'm going to be.
Who the hell is that?
LaShonda Laquanda Jones.
Who is that? That ain't even your name.
Try to tell me I ain't who I am.
I know this video ain't going out. You tripping. What made you call yourself that stubborn?
Cause I told you new me.
Yeah, you took a little bit too far. I need to hold you back.
I'm doing something new. Like Ew. I'm rocking this blonde, ain't I? Look at her. Who is she? Who is she?
Nobody knows.
Who is she? Yes, bitch.
What? Watch your mouth.
Alright, y'all, because I'm real hyped over this food. Like
this video ain't going
your
out.
girl real hyped over this food or whatever.
You gotta buy some more of this.
It's delicious. And I'm just over here like,
it ain't gonna make it.
you keep talking about I ain't
You use
going
both of the soy sauces?
because they both is going to be mine. I'm telling you, like, I am new me. If I want both duck sauces, I'm going to keep both duck sauces. Okay, boo boo? Okay, boo boo? Okay, boo boo? Boo boo.
You tripping. I just want to eat both. Stop putting that stuff on your lips.
You know what?
It's enough on there.
Go get my 40.
It's enough on there. You ain't even got no 40.
Go get my 40 out the fridge. It ain't never enough lip gloss. Woo! Woo!
Look. That is out.
Y'all know why I'm drinking my water. Ow! You know me.
You talking entirely too much right now.
Yo, I hating said who? I hating said what? I hater said what? It be your own men.
What?
Where my money?
What money? And stop clicking your nails.
Where my change? Where my change?
What change?
My change from earlier.
You ain't got none.
They be like playing with your money. Yeah. That's alright, you can keep it because you need it.
What?
You need it.
No, I don't.
Let me get this swing. You know what? I can't even eat with these nails. Oh, and to hold my nails.
Hold your nails.
Hold my
What
nails.
they getting the food?
Hold my nails. Here, hold my nails. Here. Hold my nails. I'll put them back on later. Yeah.
Did you just pluck two nails off?
When I go down loafers, like, and
Who?
slide.
You ain't going nowhere.
Slide to the right. Hold up, shorty. Wait a minute.
I'm gonna let you know something.
You acting real goofy.
No, you acting real goofy right now. You tripping.
You acting real. You
You
acting like a whole goofball.
You calm down. You ain't come out here with a whole blonde wig on like you crazy. Like you belong on
I said you
Player
might need me. If I look like I'm from Player Club, I like I'm from Player Club. And you ain't even hold my nails.
I'm not holding your nails while I eat my food.
Let me get your egg roll. Let me get your egg roll. Let me get your egg roll. Yeah.
Yo, check this out.
Yes, Dad. I don't know why they put all these beef assistants in this rice like that.
Don't even put like 4 shrimp in there.
That's for beef assistants.
I don't even know what that is.
I ain't asked for beef assistants. I meant to call them. First it was a piece of skin on my scrap. And they put all these beef assistants in here. Like, don't nobody eat all them beef assistants in their food.
Check this out.
All them beef assistants.
You need to calm down. For one, you need to go upstairs and take that damn wig off. And run back downstairs presentable. Because this is not presentable.
Let me explain something. It is 2020. I'm a whole new generation of a woman. You understand me?
You got 2 fake moles on your face. Take your ass upstairs and go take that damn stuff off your face.
I'm a whole new... Listen, y'all. Because y'all women... Listen, baby girl. We is a whole new...
This not even going in. You ain't even gotta look at the camera no more. It's not going out.
We is a whole new generation.
Ain't no whole new. Go upstairs and take that stuff off your face.
New generation.
No, you doing too much. You moving your hands and all that stuff. You don't talk like that.
Of women's, we is so. And I was tired of being fake and being whoever that little girl is. Like, nope, I'm gonna be who I wanna be. So I'm gonna be who I'm gonna be.
Go upstairs. Go upstairs.
Nope.
This video not going out. Go upstairs. Go wash your face. You need to go take a cold shower. You want a Snicker?
What's that Cardi B song?
You need a Snicker.
What's that song that girl be like? I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet. I'm bougie.
You just spit on me.
I'm sorry. Calm down. Calm down. Bring it down. Bring it down, baby boy. I'm the bougie.
Yo, check this out, right? I don't even want no more food. You're doing too much. You need to go upstairs and take that stuff off your face.
He hating.
You need to go upstairs and take that stuff off your face.
Cause it's a prank.
Take that shit off your head.
I pranked you. It's hot up under that wig.
Yo, check this out, right?
I pranked him, y'all.
Check this out, right?
I pranked him, y'all.
Check this out, right?
I pranked him, y'all.
Check this out, right?
What?
Take them things off. Cause you going a little bit too far with it. Take them off.
Oh, babe. You ain't like her. You ain't like Lakeisha Laquan.
I don't know who that is. No, I don't like her. No. She's still there.
I know you lying. But no, for real, I really
Let me take them hoop earrings out too.
I like my hoop earrings. Red, dude.
You like somebody. And you got 2 fake moles on your face. You look crazy now.
He was hating. He hating y'all. I had to tie my little braids up. All right, y'all. I'm hot, and we gotta go.
It's not cool, yo. What made
New month, new me, huh?
You got these big hoop earrings and like you look crazy. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. You tripping.
Peace out, y'all.
Deuces.
Cause I'm Ratchet. I'm the one who cut the mic, cut the.
You tripping? Who put you up to this? Your sister? Your sister put you up to this?
Maybe not.
Yeah, right.
Yo, I really had a shrimp skin in my egg roll though.
Your sister put you up to this. I ain't stupid. Y'all be tripping.
New me.
You bluffing. I didn't drink no water. You took me all the way off guard. That's why you try to sneak downstairs.
Let's clean this mess off so I can edit this video.